What's going on, guys? Hope y'all are having a good day. Today should be a pretty fun video because we finally get to start working on plumbing some of this intercooler piping. That's like the whole entire goal for today, is basically to work on nothing but this intercooler piping. Right now the car will start, which I'll throw some clips of it in right now. We're getting super close. Don't judge our ghetto intake up here just to get this thing running. But we were having fuel pump issues. So we got this wired in to its own little power source and relay. And then we had a bunch of fuel leaks. We got those fixed. But now the starter is not working again. So George is trying to fix that. He's under the car. But hopefully here in a second, we'll be able to start this bad boy up. Oh dude, you ready?
Will it blow up?
I'm nervous too.
That's insane.
So, hope y'all like those clips. That was actually some of the first starts. The clip when we were in this shop wasn't actually the first start, but it was like one of the longer starts where I actually kind of gave it just a little bit of a rev and had, showed my friends, that sort of thing. So, I'm super excited. I've been working on this car for 2 years, and for it to finally start is just like, after all the ups and downs of swapping a 240 and just, this is my second motor, if you're new to the channel, just all the things that had gone into this car, for it to finally start was just super exciting. But anyways, it doesn't run the best because all the boost air is just going straight out into the atmosphere and not circulating back in, which is why we had the mass airflow sensor right here. So rather than over here where it's supposed to be, just because it would see like how little air is going into the motor and try to adjust the injectors. But obviously, I mean, these are injectors sized for a turbo car, so I started thinking that a 90-degree manual bend was just not quite gonna be, it was gonna stick out pretty far because the radius is a little bit big. So I decided, hopefully it goes to plan, maybe get a little bit spicy on the turbo side, and I'll show you guys what I mean. And by spicy, I meant pie. So I've already got the pieces cut. I'm really stoked with how they look, and it's a super tight radius. As you can see, the insides of them are really thin. Hopefully I'll actually be able to weld that. So I got some explaining to do. Gotta turn my podcast down so I don't get some sort of copyright, which I should be good on a podcast. Anyways, for this clip to make sense, I figured I should explain it. This is actually a new piece of pie. You can see it's much bigger pieces because those things are way too small. I made the inside parts way too thin, and was also having a bunch of problems, not with the welder, but like a in and around problem with welding that was very hard to trace and very frustrating. And I'm pretty sure I got it figured out. Got this one tacked up, made it a little bit different, and I'm about to weld it out. So hope y'all are enjoying the video. This is a little like a little commercial break from yours truly. So yeah, if you are enjoying that video, freaking I gotta say, I am extremely stoked. I mean, look at that freaking weld right there. I mean, I know some of y'all are probably like, oh, that's not a good weld or whatever, but I don't care. I mean, for me, those are some pretty damn nice beads. I mean, I know some of them are kind of average or some lumps and bumps here, but I mean, like this guy right here, I mean, come on. That's a pretty good weld for me, dude. Freaking pie cut is my first time doing pies. Like, real pies. I'm pretty stoked on that shit, dude, to tell you the truth. I'm very stoked on that. So if I decide to end this video right here, I hope y'all liked it, and I'm stoked. Freaking cars coming together, so that's badass, and I can't wait to be like drifting around. It's gonna be sick. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.